Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Imbibe. Today, with great excitement, we introduce to you Nidhi Thakur. Her father, Abhay Thakur, is an entrepreneur and her mother, Gitali Thakur, is the head of Health, Safety and Environment at Deccan Fine Chemicals, Goa. Nidhi Thakur is a proud student of Dr. K.B. Hegdewar High School, Goa. She is part of Atal Tinkering Lab and had the privilege to interact with Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, through a video conference on the subject of Atal Tinkering Lab innovation.
As we move to Goa. हाँ बताइए.
Namaste sir, namaskar. Sir, I am Nidhi Thakur from Dr. K.B. Hegdewar High School, ATL, Goa. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving us this big opportunity to interact with you, and we are overwhelmed to do so. Sir, we learn a lot of things in ATL like IoT, that is Internet of Things, 3D printing and basic programming concepts also. I can say that ATL is a golden opportunity for all of us, of which we are trying to make best use, and ATL also encourages us to think out of the box, and it has changed our mindsets to be more innovative. So thank you very much.
Nidhi is currently in grade 10 and has been excelling in academics as topper throughout her academic life. She was recognized as budding star at National Championship of Mars Spelling Bee and participated at international level for the same. As a state level topper in Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, India's largest science talent search examination using digital device, Nidhi represented the state at national level at Bark Trombe. Nidhi was recognized amongst top 20 best handwritings of the state and represented Goa at the 8th National Handwriting Olympiad at Indore. She was also a state level topper for National Math League and represented the state at nationals in Mumbai. She has been recognized as the most talented student by Anaga Vachasundar Pratishthan, Goa. An all-rounder that she is, it is no surprise to see her bagging the LIC Student of the Year and the All-Rounder Student of the Year at school. Nidhi is an excellent orator and has been recognized as Best Orator in the All Goa Young Orators Contest, besides winning various elocution competitions at state and inter-school level. She was also awarded at the hands of the Chief Minister of Goa on the elocution subject, Constitution of India, My Perspective on Following Fundamental Duties for Growth of India.
The young spiritual leader had such faith in the immense power of the youth of India. But are we, as the future of the country, really living up and working our duties the way we ought to? India is one of the youngest countries with more than 70% of its population below the age of 35 years, which means that the prominent segment of the population is young. We are the future of this country. And what we as youth need, if we want to become a better country, a better nation, a better world, is a good leader.
Our versatile talent Nidhi has gone beyond academics and also successfully swam across the river Mandovi. She has also won various prizes at taluka level in badminton, throwball and handball as a part of her school team. Nidhi has keen interest in astronomy and is a member of the Association of Friends of Astronomy, Goa. She has topped the debate competition, book review and has also bagged first place in the Young Scientist Seminar organized by Association of Friends of Astronomy, Goa. Nidhi participated at the national level First Lego League at Mumbai. Nidhi is blessed with a melodious voice and she bagged the second place in the All Goa Gomantaswar state level singing competition in the year 2018. She has also secured the first place at taluka level in the light music category and has bagged several prizes at school and inter-school level in the field of music.
देवा क्षण भर
was awarded with the Big Junior Rockstar Award by 92.7 Big FM for winning the Radio Jockey contest organized in 2019. She has also hosted a show on 92.7 Big FM on the occasion of Children's Day 2019. Nidhi is an avid reader and has a collection of more than 300 books. A few of her Marathi poems have also been published in the newspaper while she was at the age of 10. She takes keen interest in astronomy, music, microbiology and canvas painting. She plays the keyboard and loves photography as well. She is part of a school interact club and actively takes part in all the social welfare activities conducted by the same.
So guys, the next show coming up is Unsung Heroes with RJ Cheetos, and I'm Arjanidhi taking your leave for now. So the next song is dedicated to all you lovely people. So sit back in your couch with a hot cup of coffee and listen to 2019's Billboard's top song, I Don't Care, by our all-time favorite Ed Sheeran in collaboration with Justin Bieber. Don't forget to tune into The Breakfast Show 94.4 on Top FM. Hope to see you all tomorrow at the same time, same place. Stay tuned, stay happy, because there's much more coming up in just a minute.
Nidhi is truly an all-rounder and excels at every endeavour she ventures in. Let's applaud her for her achievements and wish her all the very best for her future endeavours.